This video tutorial will talk about corresponding angles. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, corresponding angles are formed. Let's quickly review. These two lines with the red indicators are the parallel lines, and the line that crosses both of them is called your transversal. Corresponding angles are in the same position on the parallel lines in relation to the transversal, and they're always congruent. So for example, I'll give you a hint. Angle number 1. Which of the other remaining angles do you think is in the same position like angle 1? Could it be angle 5, or 2, or 7? Which one of these remaining 7 angles looks like it's occupying the same position as angle 1? I hope you were thinking angle 7 because that is the correct answer. However, angle 1 and 7 are not the only corresponding angles. There are more. Can you identify the others before I reveal the answer? Let's see if you are correct. Angles 1 and 7 I just mentioned. Also angle 3 and angle 8. They are corresponding. Angle 4 and also angle 6 are corresponding. Last but not least, angle 2 and angle 5 are corresponding. Let's take a look at this next example. Here we have a diagram, and I have provided 4 angles, and I would like you to carefully match up the corresponding angles. So the first one, I'm providing to you angle 9, and I want you to carefully identify the corresponding angle to angle 9. Let's see if you are correct. That would be angle 15. So angle 9 and 15 are corresponding angles. 9 lies on the right side of transversal E. Angle 9 is also above line F. Angle 15 is also on the right side of transversal E. And angle 15 also lies above line G. Let's take a look at angle 12. What other angle do you think is corresponding with angle 12? Let's see if you were correct. Angle 13. Angle 12 is below line G. Angle 13 is also below line F. And both of these angles, 12 and 13, are both located on the right side of transversal E. Let's take a look at the next one. Angle 10. What other angle is corresponding to angle 10? Let's see if you are correct. That would be angle 11. So angle 10 lies above line G, and angle 11 lies above line F, and both angles 11 and 10 are on the left side of transversal E. Last but not least, angle 14. Which angle is corresponding with angle 14? That leaves us with one choice, angle 16. Angle 14 and angle 16 both lie on the left side of the transversal line E, and both angles lie below line F and G. Let's take a look at another example. Can you look at this diagram and carefully identify the corresponding angles to the 4 that I've provided? Let's check your answers. Angle 1 is corresponding to angle 4. Angle 2 is corresponding to 8. Angle 3 is corresponding to angle 6. And last but not least, angle 5 is corresponding to angle 7.